You are tuning to Penax Radio.
Penax Radio.
Living no stone unturned.
And say bia ena video bi eyi ni hu ewa abontina video ni nyina ne se na ye ababa we bia ye hye no na hye na ye hye ni ase kire nyina eba ya na obi a feel say na ase kire nyina ne sa baba we ni se bio obi kunu akwa ye bibia na so ni nipa na akwa nya empamu inkita hudie na sansensem ni mu de eba ye no na obi a kire na adwupa cho asem no ensi ewa Ghana krom ha se na no na mafo bebre na akire mo adwu wo mu na sa me no kase de girl na kasa ababontia be kasa na ni kwafa baaye ni nyina ejina Kwame A+ so nya nim se Kwame A+ so de on what Facebook and wodi ne nsem ho no mo no o sing Supreme Court asem bi bebia no oji edwa no so aka bi afa ho ne Ghana ha mafo bebe na nim ne se o kasa pa na no e no to nsa e de fra baba wa na so fra baba wa no e wo fo so ne baba wa na twetwe nkomo na girl no e kire ma hye no eje se bi a ampasa wa kwaji obi kunu anaso ni obi kunu kwa bibi na emom omo se adenti na oye Ghana ni no ne Ghana ni be ma antwempre na emo ni Sudan ni abrante de ko chempre no nti e na omo de sa hye no pa chentie sema baba we edi tuja
Diamond. Hello.
Yes.
At the sign.
Hello, Hannah.
At the sign.
Oh.
Good. Pacho, ayana one ma oneso ma make kakra bi.
Yeah.
Na wo ho ye.
No.
Still wo ma oneso kakra bi ka ho akabeboa. Network ni your own. Okay, yabe no kakra sa. Na se se wo hefa.
No, the place, no Bazana.
Wo hefa.
No deportation.
Deportation camp.
Yes.
Okay. Na me enra na me hu video no. Your friend is saying nipa bi emema bi omo ka twi na just omo ye Ghana for omo bo ma na eba na saying
Also, we must.
What's that?
Ghana, Caribbean, but no one comes to me.
What's y'all can be line on na and shut down your papa and Jesus also.
My mommy announcing the fine check to people. On to me. The money do
Maybe I would try.
No. Although bad me, I wouldn't pass an hour one to the day.
Line no still na problem to crowd on me say menya no normal caller and obey a bit better. No, you can't show. I'm trying to get her on normal call. Hello.
Yeah.
That's a way near better kakra. What's a main camp? Good. Okay. I feel the yankasa. Now we can baby.
One of the women in the reason was not say, I didn't know, make a gun and me, but not mean they see gun and me, Bema. Into a more reason, no.
Omo reason into omo de bo na wo video no mo ne say adenti na wo ye Ghana ni ba na won date Ghana ni be ma.
Yeah.
Na Saudi Arabia for mra na kire say wo ye Ghana ni o so wo date Ghana ni wo ye Abidjan ni o so wo date Abidjan ni ana say me sign.
Omo na dey Ghana show some.
Omo ankasa ye mra wo Saudi Arabia o say wo ye Ghana ni o so wo date Ghana ni.
Sorry to me. Almost say.
Yes.
So ko pa sendi ba. Eda omo so. Nti mo mo ye exam.
Na assembly to say sign na ebetumi aba.
Some mo ka, but me ma some ebetumi aba, but omo statement omo juna so.
And say so ko fa assembly ba eba be da omo so.
But see me na Ghana for omo wa ha no. Omo anso na ye boni.
Me me o say nkrofo bebre bisa asamenti no me pese me bisa asam no wa kyerem no obi ate ase enti me bisa asam enye se bia me na me bisa but ensam nkrofo bisa over the period no eno me bisa enti so wo kyerem ano ma ate ase se obi ka se bia okofa asam aba me nim sa Saudi Arabia yes se ebia wo ye oba na wo ne be mo ye wokunu ewo twempna ye betumi de wako prison eyampa.
Oh, Oma Castle, very ampa. But the thing say, and one of the has say, but when you sound like Elcoso, I'm more castle here than in Bono. I'm the not more girls the brave Chrome Hanum say. Ain't more like Obia, the tree because of fair oil banner. Obey you be that wow. If they are also so hard dying, also send this count could see only papers, you know. Also, very more blower, but don't know. Some of the dying cannot say 2,000. What makes the job 4,000?
18 natural say, Omono air patch, say, more Ghana for man. Omo bomb home by send a be a monk of us as some money, almost training, and Nuntina, we are Ghana and now could date you beer. Omo na ebono omo bo wo hefa
me fie
na wada wo fie wo na wo boy no mada wo fie
ai
enti no mada wo fie na ena omo ba bie dan no eba ho ana aseden
like me am for lazy ba kono wo fie onu girl ba kono na wo fie me da me yechu na apartment nti me no ba kun iti me dey see me hu na me say madaka na me sama for ya be ho obu me
wada na u
ana me hu say omo na right amu bu me si me bi say no girls no we say but girls no me see you could be omo get no right inside
na chere say girls na no mo fie na na from say boy bi Sudan ni bi abehye ho
that the girl no like no di kokonsa and so what has like Sudan ni
odi kokonsa say be me bi abehye ho
but one can say African you can't say like Pafita white man and abehye ho no ni property na o fie ho
internet ni akira me say girl no na ko di kokonsa say obi abehye ho nipa broni na tso wadan fo no ba kon na obi edan na ma omo nti wo da ho a wo behwe so omo apie wo so
nti omo ba no ana mbe hu so nye like white man even like omo better
line kwikwa kakra bi nti just osan wo so omo mbe yes anoma yeden
papa ba kwa mitina ni fi like when say the time I'm going to ban
na emema na ba no obi apewo da wo mu na wan ya na se obi pewo na wo mpe no na wo pe Sudan ni no na amani buafu
yeah so omo ne de ba ko ma like okay me but meaning peno
afe na asem ni da hoba mama ntuna se die afe na asem ne boys no eyo omoya but obi wo mu a opewo na wo mpe no na wakofo Sudan ni I see na metio
like you don't believe so more about if you are no girls almost 60 while you girls maku fight and after if you ba kwa yesu ama na ye to kwama ye nya ye hu girls no
ne opa ono fie na motina moye ma 16 ono kwa afa 5 wom hey
Inti no
kwa no ho
like
den
me ya dia ni madam so maybe I used to my any problem ni no so no there's go on say no if you have them have no we do the mo na e wa
na ubedu eduam na e den
na ya wa down amanso dia obi a wuni ho na oni no wo yeah, listen, like, we have to be in carbon.
yes
And into my man, compare over, maybe it will be a new
okay na mebo say no ahoban bona omo pese omo bom ho ban no ene se omo ba omo kuta camera omo kuta phone aso camera edi be record edu nakedness abeto abonten eno na ye se omo bom ho ban no na very wrong me pa cho say omo ya den
because minimum number we come home and say that omo to me just die if you are single woman no hi father sick later no money by my so no that is wa be mo pu dan so bi o chesika o so no ma na maktab if you are man kasa saudi ni na ba the two because we to watch our but on chiaka I just Kennedy
na che say Ghana for na e was Saudi no mo na di mo Ghana for no bone enye Saudi for na asa hoho no nipa mu ni mo no
oh I have a phone di bone ba I have a phone na we na le ko bone na e aya ka dia mo sana phone
mo mu krom for no na guy no omo ba ho na on be yes ade no ni mo like obi o ho a wonim no nya wo wonim no na ope wo na wo mpe no ya friend say
but no so hada I only one and not but no one body
and that is on your power na small so mo mbebo ayo no na small ana
okay na like acting was but omo we almost say I didn't know me they any na me dey obi o wa abantin because you know mo somebody
I didn't know when date Ghana ni na wo date Sudan ni
because ni area na me say e honum na omo ye sa meeting no teni san bia ni hu omo no mo group o honum
na asemi si ye no
so amenchia omo na me twem na me come there
na woni asemi si ye no wabo police for amani na ase bibi na ase ana wana wo dia manyame
after me because there is no name called police station because
any break here na wo say how say na ye den
me no go police station call because me need to say
woni nkrata etasi Ghana for woni omo wa kwantuom no mu say woni nkrata omo na bedi ubone no etasi because omo nim say woni ba bia akọ hwe Kofi Adoma ye video bi say Ghana ni ana for yani ye ho bone o say Chinese ni ba ko betena upa afadan ba ko rent in Nigeria ni or the Nigeria for e wa lata nyina ba betena sa dan ni mu ubehun say enche bia na Nigeria for ha ye ha nyina ma for Chinese ni ba ko bra bun say de bia na ko fa ni nua ba na we ba Ghana ni de ono be ni nua bone e wa kwantu etasi de bia etasi papa because Ghana ni nso woni nkrata how de be wo be den ena anya Ghana de no nko a oni wudi asem wo Ghana ha onim se wo fi abroche na baaye wo baaye no wo wacha wa manto besen akọ nti obu onwe hu enu na esi wo Saudi Arabia ho no ade nti na wo be fa camera akọ kode obi nakedness na wo de ato abonten enti sesei no mo ya Ghana for sen na mo detention ho mo ya Ghana for 17 Munyina mo ye man kwa. A man kwa 17. Like Saudi holding nyina no. Baby amowo no and a Ghana for 17 one na say another different places.
Do baby.
Ghana for bi o baby omo nyina under detention. And I say omo deportation. Omo deportation na omo twan say Ghana ban be kwa akofa omo aba. Enti say woda ho na ban be fa wa na woda ho.
The organization now this government will be traffic, but you know where they go.
Government by Ghana government and I say Saudi government.
Saudi government need traffic it. We try make kakla.
No, the mabam.
And then by the link you watch a pan. And I'm get stuck.
Enti what chepa obi to me di be say how many how long ewo deportation ho.
Like any corona time no. But because of corona, maybe in your first month, be actually
maybe na other camps no. We shall Ghana for do be saying other camps. So your friends saying deportation camps or more on Baba Ghana.
And the other deportation mean that you power because I want to change our husband. The whole new power.
I see. Now, how not baby? I'm more down hot to saying how conditions are hot to saying. Almost mu ye mo didie mu at the saying.
Okay, I have the idea. I mean that. Other deportation don't mean that.
Na say you know boys never boo movie boo wie. Omo be record video wie no and omo sign do call baby no omo call boo meboa.
Omo wie no omo buy no. Me respect you into ma nya omo she omo bu me feel e to omo na wo me na. But man can she now, I expect them to see make me up and baby. Last, baby, no one share money. Don't be a lot bit come, what kind of no call.
Neba, well, I need break you. I also omo do on 9 wo fie ho wie on be record video. Na omo san ye den.
Most of the call be ko cha me aba.
Omo san do tena car mu kwa different place. And now, no omo twa o ma saying.
Mankind because no one wrong anyhow. Mankind.
And to say, you know, a friend is saying Ghana form man now more Saudi Arabia no. More a damn problems that ya mo to me face like what are some of the problems I'm facing with Saudi or.
How do I say no? Like there are companies for now. I use no matter no one high because Kenya for her, Nigeria for her. But who say companies for years time your money tia o ma for betia for bono o ma you say me. But there is an afone there. O ma na high.
Ghana, not just a problem. I was Saudi in Ghana for men and no one. Mum na more problem. Was Saudi Arabia.
Eh, we mukara bufono. Omoya ebony. But so ko ejuma kwa na ko ya ebony ejuma na wentua o ka. O ka catch o ma o with me ko this can now. Yes, number ma but you no matter. And back one and you so much blow anytime. You so much with them at the other.
It's apart from one, are there we be to another woman, another Obabi or her winning about Anna?
Therefore, Obabi, the do all moments me call it still Cobono, Nishiana, Cobono.
Now, almost a man, I almost to me for foreign girls. They be a Ghana need Bema not or dating Nigerian or also dating Sudan.
I want to date outside.
na then no mu de omu tumi date outside na e man de omu date outside na e omu ya
No.
Eti say
like omu di bone. And no makata when and I almost pretend they say omu di bone. But again no e perfect.
Enti no say you know eba ne sign na wo copy deportation ho.
Like this in more I control ever attacking me.
Ola ni breaki kakra nti no.
I control.
And
I very attacking me now before.
Okay.
If you like tell you now you straight don't be crying you know. A police case. The police come by and say, I don't see any people back home. It will secure our life now. I was saying, I'm stressing about I want me hey, bad. You see. And I'm soon a day because the police one. I'm a passion, so more for my coma. If you are late time, I'm best man. I saw about the hammer. I'm the about the plot.
Enti no akronfo be attack mu wo mu fie.
Yeah.
E na mo frɛ police for no. Ice. E na police for no say I was some dem mo bagana because e bia na mu ni nkrata at the same time no. E bia mo ti ho na akronfo na san ba attack mu biem.
Yeah.
Enti what wo call how many months ni? About 3 months ni.
Yes.
And to win Encrofua, Ghana for Omadasa deportation be a chepa.
I said, if you are, madam, only know what program I would make check there 1 year.
Obi had the deportation 1 year. Nana woka say Ghana ni bi ono de neba 2 months and you be fa no call deportation o se bibisa.
No,
ya chino ko prison.
Yeah.
No mo so why then.
Onya je so ni papers.
Enti oni papers enti na e de no ko prison no.
Like about deportation here deportation. Onya so prison. Prison na be a wire
no. Okay.
Yeah, jail, but the deportation is a prison. Like you deport to Ghana. To the Dahana time I take it, never do so now.
Na neba no 2 months na ye befa ne maame na ye de ma o maame no ko deportation na ye de neba Ghana no se neba no wan
neba no waka one thing
serious waka bonten like say akwara 2 months omo de akwara no ma obi ana so omo ye na me nti ase
so depend so no need people and to say that mama no way and so need papers I just suppose be our papers not like a one man de account and so you some so this card the account the car
enti no chese say na ono ko deportation no ne ba no aban be fa no ko ba bi obi hwe na na say
it's on the face
o fi obi hwe akwara na na say aka nipa no ko deportation how many months ni By 2 weeks near. Hey. Akwara 2 months there so no for near there. Enti Saudi no obetu se obi ene ya ye kasai se obi kasa opese okọ Saudi a obe hye ne nkran so onko ana se obeka kyense monko.
Oh, that is me. Country because man and I have question because Ghana Krano it's a small being quit to make it say Ankara. And my son may I know of violent temper. It will be like clay. Into now imagine Arab no only in the same color. But Edi ba omunya lucky. Edo on mo le ni pa e papa. I go to do so I any for papa and no the problem never. It's no. So we are on the media who can be our own tree yeah. For the say they are over house degree. But all about there as a year. No son of it to an among the way nothing.
I just say we are young girl na say wo wo adwuma bi ye wo ha be papa say wo betena ha say wonni bibia ye wo ha na wo betu kan akopɛ wano aduane so so wo hwɛ wo husu yie
I saw him see because I know Bano. He said we Bano over soon. It's in the mama never come and then I was away. So you ma a high no Ghana ma you did penny say if you had to do a penny or a penny chon. I say go on like a 10 years to make the do a penny. So then it's penny because we made.
Enti no sese no o twan se Ghana ban be arrange no omo aba be famo e wo se yetumi yem sen ebinom so wo Kuwait ene ya Ghana fo bi so wo your friend say Philippines or exactly friends Philippines yes your friend Philippines e bi so omo contact yes omo so aka home person omo ba then emwa ben na wo be hia sese emwa ben na wo hia immediately ya ye kasai.
The me understand. Next week, the time, I could do young keke.
I just said, Obi, he understand with me about bedroom fee. Simple. A friend saying, Nipana mobile no, is it because they be on Becca said, so we are Muslim, Anna?
That means you're Muslim, you're Christian.
We are Muslim, we are Christian.
Yeah.
Not just Islam law no cry. And me na fofo bebre cry me na fofo bebre na ye Muslim. Almost ade na nkofo no ye no just no the Islam cry de nka ho cry. So obi ada na obetumi akọ recording the nakedness. Which I say some nkofo we no omugu osom na nimu ase no. When the catcher say we are Muslim obi ada obetumi akọ recording the naked. Na Muslim ni cry no be ma no oba cry no tambia no wakata ne hu nyina ne nanim. Enti sa wo ye Muslim na sa wo ye saade na wo gu ankasa woni mu ase wo gu osum na nu ase ha sa profo no me report o mama Interpol o mu du kuro
almost the name I say almost in my life because this time I know so maybe me next me be worry I don't know like
Dabi and they want to make us when you kunu bi anware Dabi kunu de obenya bi ubenya kunu omo won se Ghana ha no ade bia ba kwa se mema adwen ye omo se ubetumi once woni oba nya issue na me wo naked photo me de kwoto abonten me wo naked hade no enti no sa bi no mde ye if you are nigga me pesa me record wo naked wo record wo bi naked and for obi a ho bio sa de na twam ye nkura asesem ko ti ase nkura asesem me wo naked photo me de kwoto me de wo naked na aye den obi a o person set obi up na obi a kofa camera de akodo oje me ko twa wo naked photo me wo twa me naked photo ka den me try me private this is about the 3 years when guess am for you me private okay what does it me private how will be coming naked photo oh yeah so dey bu anya and remember bebre you su get see ma
omo ba eni kono nanka me say the come omo ma me shatare nanka de ombe kan o ma kan shiri o ma print ni shatare mpo even protect my even mom buy ni na no ni ba bit my head
say near see ya no kra no ama we nya kunu ayi minua discount nana prempe kra se obeware o o se emu awon obeware o ye be ya masade no aya unattractive e wo wias e ma bebre wo ho a they have look their lives have come to an end just because there may be some wo naked photo they akoto abonte we have to kill it ukotwa oba bi naked witwa kura na yebehu se efe ye ho na ye nyina ye be kokura yes of course it doesn't make sense to me ukotwa oba bi naked na ye hu kura na ye be feel no mo no they say kura no boys no obia be ware o they say who na obe selecting ya ope Brabo, your life has not come to an end. There's so many women who have suffered this, and it's not right. This kind of abuse, we have to find a way to kill it. It's very, very wrong. Okay? Mama can't say Ghana, when who say Sebi, Oba, Abodama, Waron, Ahe. It is not easy. And we live in a society where if you ask us niggas and buy, Nankophobia be who say, hey, no, if you ask us nigga, then I'm no yet ding. If you are the ayena, it is very wrong. That's why I support if you ask us nigga. You cannot do that to a woman for no reason. You cannot do that. When we say Sebi Oba and I be Muhano Kakrapo, Obe Rono, and remember your board the money are royal when I did that so near the Nam circle. Near the Nam Kaneshi, you will see how many women Yanko Poma Bash and Nipetrimu say Obano. It is very difficult, sir, obey you know. And so to me, far camera say, oh, record the Oba. Now they are better bonting. What do you say? Nancy Mituana, I could be also a journalist. There are some. Or woman naked photo into a quiet story. The family phone and me cry my den for them to use this one is clear, use this one. Me need time for Kwasi Asemu. Me so song Kwasi Asemu so. Use when a clear back no cry me more HD video. Use one. There was a secondary school as when they bet me an anti naked aqua. Any and anti connect ya cheni aboyema. I've been obi. Those things must stop. We are paying come plus there na hard win and need wash do. Why then obey us idea no? Adam if your bomb no much atade na guardian. Your friend is saying me nuaba. They say nkofo be was Saudi some person bokasa won. Come I say say ya ne nuaba wie na your friend e man na was Saudi no. Ne omokasa. Na yetumi pushi an agenda bema aban betumi ehu mmobọ no wabeboa mo. They say there can it be more line here faint into can you no be anti what's one thing of person oh yeah then yes
the obia born no betiana Ghana embassy wa omo handle the person to Ghana embassy na Ghana embassy name nkasa but omo ba bu to the sense any funny criminal. The Saudi police the crown and kebaba told me that day now. Maybe obey me. Now you deport me about me.
Yes.
Only right to say obey me. Nika say I'm boom, now my Larry my blood are short, so I'm in blood. I'm up on the hospital. Within 3 weeks time I'm the boom, a new case. Because you know, my son for Yari, and now Madame made me come hospital.
Emma, how? Say, Nina Kaho.
So, no, Mother, I am near. No more find you people. Because to go out, that's not taking a life.
Yes.
Just right. Because of the my
Diamond.
Right.
Medasi. Ghana for that's so on my tonka. Friend is saying, say, Bibi a Bessibiano, my young, say, Mwabia, who here, apart from so baby Fiano, so we hear Mwabia, Mamma Sonte, young dear, Adia, and say a buenipa. Say, boys, no make a report to Mamma Interpol. We are sending a baby a war and then we are born in India. Why a Bonnie war Ghana? We are Bonnie war Ghana, what baby are international police. You are reported the video no kwachromo a human rights abuse. The video no call a command Interpol for so omudu Ghana happy about you munyana. So we see we a Muslim. A ya bisa sa adentina Islam or background, your man kata ni munyana. Now we to me call record you be. What you say? And I'm a cana, obisi o boys no back, o mama me boys in the number. So back no say o feel panam me feeling kwasia for. Me feeling kwasia for sir. Who ko yes ade we also feel me say then. What you say? Who be feeling me say then? And you're right. It's that one. But that's sipping yabotre emane how why it's a problem be our woman number framing. Minua base count so how are the way now can say ɛnyɛ ade a bɛrima biara bɛware wɔ no daa bia no deɛ ɛnyɛ nokorɛ mmarima bebree wɔ hɔ ɛnyɛ ɛma ne nyɛ biribi a ɛbɛhyɛ wo so sɛ nyɛ wo sɛ wodwen ho ano sɛ wobɛba fie bɛduru fie asomdwie mu na wenya w'adwuma papa bi a yɛtumi ahwɛ wo ho biribiara bɛyɛ okay wate yɛn nyinaa so bɛyɛ campaign yɛn nyinaa Facebook bebia yɛbɛyɛ campaign sɛ aban bɛboa na Saudi for mo yɛ 17 pɛ sɛ ebi so other camps enti no yɛn nyinaa bɛyɛ campaign sɛ yɛbɛsra aban sɛ ɔmra na ɔmbɛfa mo na sɛ yɛyɛ dede kakra ya na honorable Kennedy Japan ɔkɔfa MSF Kuwait sɛ emu baako fo ba enti no yɛ hifafo Lebanon for okay okofa Lebanon for enti no yenso be campaign ya hwese benya enipa omuso betumi raise sika na mo am Saudi Arabia ne sa region no no na omo abefa mo nso aban ya ne de na yenso betumi aye no na ya aboa mo enti no bibie ni a obetime nka why yo medase pin Saudi na mo ye okrom ha na mo de kopie Saudi Arabia no so obi si am friend wa Saudi Arabia na Saudi Arabia for mo boys na mo go Saudi Arabia ye begum ani mo asepa one of the guys
I know the guy
o kan ho no mo ye Saudi no omba ba kasa no ye den obo asha wo for obi hu Alifa
Yeah, Kwame.
Good. O de woni nyansa dodo. Asa wedi eduro nka me be fra wo kra.
Me dem say over friend my very tight the whole week and we say Aj ayi ni munji ya Aj ni Eid al-Adha na mama is so tight. And you say be a program no No, I'm coming up to them on Sunday.
Yes.
On Sunday. And Kwame, Interpol now ukasa say ebia Interpol Moba Ghana. We don't have to wait for them to come to Ghana. We don't have to wait for that. This type of stupidity, Islam doesn't accept it. This is un-Islamic, Kwame Ebras.
Yes.
In Islam, no, woman, what did they know about Islam for them to beat somebody's daughter like that? It is not them only. Kwame Ebras. There are a lot of them in Saudi Arabia. This is what they have been doing with these little girls. Ye girls no ono mo no won kwanani ni kratanti wo muju o musika no mabu no ada Kwame
from the numbers
and yet me mako minim Saudi I know a lot of things what is going on but sometimes I just kept mute to look at something. I know a lot of things.
Wako Saudi
for 4 years. 4 years in a row. Every year, sometimes me to call twice.
Wow.
I know what is going on there.
Wow.
Only this year, the equals to our quarantine, I know what is going on. The equals to our say Jeddah, I know what is going on. The equals to our Riyadh, I know a little bit. So guys now mobile guy no, wamu ina mo Riyadh, wamu leader. Funny saying, wamu leader na one leader wamu kwara. Estati sano madomana like what she is akuno. Wabagana, Mala Musa computer. Test whereby meaning you go back and forth. I don't want to come out on social media without no proof and evidences. Anything am I di Namono and Ramini Kasaye, Wapamacho say, why more investigation on certain things? Because I just don't want to come on social media to talk. I want them to be arrested. That is what we need. They need to be arrested for doing that stupid thing. To disgrace Muslims, to disgrace Ghanaian, to disgrace women.
Yes.
This is
There are so many people, and a lady in the car, and Obi bet me taking a life just because of this issue. Until we need me about number. What you say? I mean, friend saying. Yeah. When I say my friend Abdallah, Kwame, please call me on this Ghana line. I'm a blogger in Saudi Arabia. Good. My main friend Abdallah. I was Saudi. Ghana number. So my friend the Ghana number way so 0244 404075 404075. Enti mo amwo Saudi no, mo amwo Saudi na mo pese me frɛ mo no. Mo nyina no. Mo fa number, o de number no to ha me frɛ o. Na mo nkyerɛkyerɛ saa asɛm we a ɛkɔ so wɔ Saudi Arabia mo na obi ehu na mo yɛ Saudi no. Abdullah.
Yeah, come.
Me nua na design.
Oh, me hu ye pa, papa, come.
Me nua na your friend say asɛm ya abeto ho yi. Wo so wɔ Saudi.
Yeah, come in Saudi Arabia. I've been there for more than 4 or 5 years. COVID-19, I'm a me a respected blogger on social media. Me kasa ifi Saudi Arabia.
Yes.
Yeah, boy, you know, on these issues, about to say about very serious topic.
Yes.
I mean, we go through it, me know, me be programs, go come and take so go, Baba be fire power now, so me fire almost at last weekend because me walk, me walk, but you come, now me couple of ano. It's all volunteered. Do almost twice. And the man, some good kasa, and the man do, and the man do, and the no giant, we know boy, ever honor, who also know what friend will say, what's me. No, what's up, and number two, executive, sir, or whatever gonna do that situation. Or more good strong position. Or that, or multiple young Polano, the Polani, yeah, the Enya, or more as San Polano. It is a Polana was sudden when you see nothing the Enya issues are. I don't know what to do, no, my Katahu or so. Meaning, I know you on me, fire some time ago, or more framing. Say, no, Munana, what I say, but the issue is now, it has even gone out of hand to extend Islam as some Emma wine. Islam, what you will be when you were getting, and you got a woman at it.
Yes.
The Omuya, you know, it is not part of Islam. Coming. I am again. Say what addresses that issue, no. Say, Kremosum and Mahon Quinta. Mother, show the way you kata your home. Yam Emma, the way your air kata home. Kremosum and Catherine. Say, who will be not big Ghana, so when you know Yeria, and your haram, and your pony, or so with him a share on the factory. Uncle Away, Mofan Chami, a bunum into lesbianism. And it is because of your member way and a mayono, a binuma do almost to me Shankwalano, almost Shankwalani tickets or more and if you are almost Nick Catanti. No, what Tinatican so obey me to know about more than 100 million. I brought what anything can name a yare and a yababa any man operation, but obey can 80 because of Obani Nick Catanti or Banus and Timmy Fanuko Bianchi. No, what the free. Me could a member 5. Or more than 500 billion. So difficult. But why boy, your friend, the Rasta, very notorious, and me can have them. Ghana Embassy, Ghana Youth Association, 24 almost what give my Yonicasa was that give my Yonicao. Or more, and Palano, look at all audio, sir. Girls, or more action. Girls who saw almost a company will be before Frono and talk about girls in Germany. Audios is flowing. And my member of Mukopo Colano, Baku Menu Messa, San Penifono, no, Casach, any girl, and they say, Ubaya meet you, so when Yamano meet you. We were Kawa, Okopo, audio equity, 10 minutes audio.
Not as a Saudi Honyoma, cause who hope.
Listen, me who visited me page, even who call YouTuber, Dollar GH show, who go never a custom. This is not the first time you get a man. There's one notorious guy, Memo channel. Now, what the mom, there's a state in Saudi Arabia. Very nice state, be small town. I have friend Jamam. There's a notorious guy there. That would be a Mayon. Me fire, my police for channel. Not
just a Ghana form man, was Saudi, no more problem. Pa, your Ghana form man, I was
objective the problem. You see, Mayon, they always will treat them as their respected contract houses. Until they find ways and means to come out and work, okay? Into a mobile body or work, there is perfect opportunity for them. In the contract as well, 1,000, 1,002. But to about bonus when you more car, what you make 2,000 in a month. And to about Sanua, they left their passport behind. Or candidates about Bontia, will find the passport and call. And to about Bontia, she doesn't have any legal document. In Saudi Arabia, if you don't have a residential permit, you cannot card. You can't do a bank transaction if you don't have it. It's a man no take advantage. Omo koye duma na so mo discover na so mo semi tia. Omo take advantage na mayo na da. Omo de wi na ya ye do na momo. No mo di. O wi na o ba di scam so o ko seni. Wo pa na wa ko di scam no. E do wo pa wa di scam na ya kan tafi. Scam na o ba ni ba ni kan tafi. Na o mo discover me. Media se me na ponchi na mo so bi are da me ko area e problem ya friend no mafua. Na se me na ponchi ya ye se kai e me be o mo ta me me. I know. That's when you wazongo, sorry wazongo, they call Karatu wazongo. You should be there or coming. Just visit my page. You know who never cost. And Atina part 2, I'm coming to break your old one after the other. Now Opia who said they are not also clean. They are not.
Mate, Medasipi, M. Saudi for Memano, Omwega papa nia, and Memano de Koya Yunia Bano, I was out among Memman Minia Bakuaha. Or say on so Saudi Kwame Ademi hu yo e dia semini ye kura sitina Kwame na me bia Saudi na mesi bia ba mpesa me kam fa nipa mi ba na ya den ye reverse mo no messages no dos na Kwame usu ni mi e oh mo na mo hwehwe wo ho ba bia na Kwame Ademi hu ye usu hu ye omo ntro mo san tro na ma ne biom na memfa nipa ba mienu bi na yampon edoso ya den ye de kofom munim ye munyina munim ye we so ya IT ni we number ne ye den bo ma me 00966 55 670 1236 Yaya Ibrahim Alhaji Ibrahim Yaya good enfa Alhaji ni entie kwa ba ku so aboho yi ayi baki baki de ne hia me pa ena Honey Bali obi nsevi Honey Bali de ye fa mu mienu na Yapon Yaya
hello Kwame
na de seminia
yo na mo say
boko na de na ekoso wo mukro mu hoyi
in fact I did a course in fact I have some of us me say no I'm a teacher here for the past 15 years.
Oh, we a teacher was Saudi for 15 years.
Yeah, I lecture English here.
Wow.
Now so my I am a queen in fact we have that's what me say we course be so many courses from Ghana.
Yes.
So they think that all of the guys here are also with the same soup. But the internet is there are some of us here who are doing very good work. We respect these girls here, but in essence they're very unfortunate.
Yes.
Then maybe there's no way, and there's no rules or a bema what in Russia would say never call bad name, never call cardinal. It's not done anywhere. How am I away? There are some of the Ghana boys now. They also have girlfriends who are from other countries like Kenyans and Nigerians.
Yes.
So what power do they have to go and tell or determine who?
That's for one. The girl says the girl wants to friend someone who from Sudan. So what's their problem? If they are going to meet the girl there with a Ghanaian boy, would they have done that to him, to her? Sorry. Oh, just because I don't know. Because yes, they are very bad. Here in Arabia, the girls when they run from their contract houses, they become very vulnerable. They don't have documents. So those who went there to do that, they themselves they don't even have legal documents here. They are also illegal here. They are illegal. They are also legal. They don't have valid documentations here. So on the way to you, they tell me what Quran verse or what Islamic law actually says. Any man can go into a woman's room to go and catch her and beat her because they say the girl is was prostitute or the girl has a boyfriend.
And you know,
they themselves, there are many Ghanaian men here who friend with girls like Kenyans and Nigerians and whatever.
It is the same. No, one am we a penny for no, one we am penny for no. Asem we are be then am we are found.
Yeah, say I can say and we meet every Friday, but I am not a constant visitor to that group because of such things I have because you are my you don't even want to belong to that situation. I call some of the my friends who are constant elders here. So I said, the elders should call those guys book. So and that's what we do there. That every day you invite me to come to meeting. If this is what you do there, then don't classify me to be part of you. So I asked them, so if this is what they are doing now, then they don't have to invite some of us because it's a disgrace. So if they say they are not aware about other things, then they should call the guys because there's a video. Everybody saw those guys in the video. So they should call them and then do some action to them.
Yes, you'll be your friend Alaji Muntala Mola. When you'll be a training Muntala Obia was Saudi Arabia Bia about Alaji Muntala Alaji Wujidin Bonne Alaji Din Bonne Pana Wojenesano. Omo mobile live video is nipa bebre Obia Boba Tra Alaji Muntala Mula. Our hefa Alaji Muntala Mula. Now Alaji no be a bodi Osheye Alaji ya kasa obi Islam ni awaya Alajia. Ni ebo udi madam for Nino Brown won control Nino Brown to me cancer man Nino mini utase na Alaji ugu osum no ho fi uji din bone nke ebo udi ya si Alaji o ya de papa wo Saudi ma ya do ya Alaji obi ebo mi nim say no kro but obi oba he bi ebo Alaji Muntala Some boni you Alaji Muntala Mola Yadan Uru Alaji Ujidin Boni. Yeah, me the whole Accra. Bisobia, Madame Fubia, you're Muslim. Everybody knows you or you're Muslim, or American Muslim, and in the Bia. Madame Fubia, you're Muslim. What you say? Akasemia may intino, I don't know more yano, Mugu Sumufi, and yet Mujai Sadiano. Or China Sala. What you say? I don't know more and yet Mugu Sumufi. Mamma, I wait other number no, and no money then. Honey no, Mama me honey no.
Plus 966.
Then 00 59 28 58 769. Honey no, so or one some kapa. Now we hear you no man, you need to find. Kasanoma so mo fa na mamra mo fa kasanoma na mamra na me frɛ no. Ye nyina ye tu kwan wo nuanu me tu kwan kope mo bebɔ mo nua ma no ho ban no hwade amoye. Hello. Honey.
Yeah.
That's the sign.
Yanko pando me hu yo na nso.
Me ho ye pa wo Saudi Arabia.
Mpa chwa.
Omo abu bia na.
That's you.
Na then ekoso wo ho then what are some of the problems that you are facing in Saudi Arabia? I would rather be for no dum honey line you be say friend bi. Huh? Muntala no mo kana sam. O da bi se mu Alaji Muntala yen friend no ombe yi na. Hello? Sorry, line no cut here, kafra. Na most of them ekoso Saudi Arabia.
The apostle had a easy, like youth for no Ghana youth association for no a easy. Like my me and penny for no boy girls na has but the fact that any papers mean you know. Mistreatment Nasa it was quite unfortunate say at me back but no kwanso no mo this edino
na mebo church we mu kire Saudi Arabia say boys no me ade on ye no o ma say ade na o mo ye nyina ade ti na wo di video wo record obi video what you say
that is it
I say kwan mama ho kwan say oba a onye unu aba na say oyo ni kwan say ovi na ni Islam.
Won't me hwe na nimpo. Na wakọ run no ho akotwa na video.
The police aba any people say I wa say police be me aba. Ombeba be bu da ni no mo rem na say you are naked la. Astagfirullah no mo pie. No mo gina kwan na no. No ma ka say sha atade. Na wa sha atare ansa na even say wo ye boni bi kwa odan ni mu a omo rem no mo ni wa ba bebi. Omo ma megina ho nhwe no ka say sha atade. Even in Kofu, gay, me a Juma, me when we see girl back over the camera, who I say, Sapa Panning a digger and the bear Jumuha, Major Nancy Bibi. The papa and my pressure power drum has say, Sagana use a situation could not make a gun and new hotel and no more than one. Gana no or become who a drum has seen, or flare Sapa Panan and the bear Jumuha. Or flying back or can't problem nature no and one enough for now on February. Ghana use a situation in the WhatsApp group now for now one master for him and no more.
What's it would we see come on so on your day?
Would we see come mom someone send them out no would be even though the mom someone to $1 amount if I told her now but she out there by discount. Omudi ensenya mu we bia even omo na kasa na omo to me mpenifo ha se no omu na asem omu ntumi mo omo but omudi say ye mpenifo na bo mo asafo hene wa ha se na che girls no omo akata kwati mi ka girls ne bottle 4 or 5 no omo no mo twempna but so we say unu aba ni obi I will free other country twempna mo kwa ko wura kwa ko twani nakedness e di ba be gu na enimu ase na
wunim Haj Muntala Mola.
Yeah, Mutala Mola oye you ha say oye blogger
no ye ni papa there
oye blogger wa ha say ya o din kakra wa ha say so di ha say
oka ho onkofo ogboni din ebia no mpeso mo say ni din keke onkofo bebiri ogboni din wa de no so Salaji Muntala
Enra oye about Facebook live eba be ye program about this issue ya omo ko bu girls no omo kwan omo kasa oni show no so
na oka ho ana so onka ho
omo ko bu girl ndi onka ho
like oye be person mo establish for to me
program
enko to me say enko ala obi a tro ni din wa ha oye obi oye basabasa na so yidi papa ana say no hu na ye nkofo bi ehi no mo ahye da de platform we be say no.
One say or a blogger, and maybe any programs are on Facebook or quite a lot of followers can talk to Facebook. And the programs are and maybe a been in the yard, I don't know the reason why.
So okay, the panel. Meba okay, the panel mudisa and some was Saudi Arabia na Alaji Muntala Mola no nka
that you on come on no different city ko no ojida sa city are you saying be there on the case na area the Hennessy me I'm in the same city with her even here na the same area
enti no se mema no moji musika di
mpacha fe
wo se omoji musika di mema no ji musika no mo di
omoji di pa omwende omudi pa sanya dala ba ufe dala sa okan no kre omudi di pa one man is kase ko sande blame no e mako pe e no omudi no kre mako pe ndi ono obeji sika no be san charge o say me send no kwa ko sende no do say nti o charge o be kwa ko sende o the receipt be be o be sika na ma pepepe but most of them no so no sika ko di ni nsemu a eno anu no obeji be ma sorry na onim say unni papers untimi fani nko bebia untimi nya ne hwe
monne munua manom ti akwantuo mu a mo bebo mo na ne amoye
enya easy o mom na etwe san wa ha omo no na omo
ga na ni trese wo ko wani ma omo se trese ya de we wo fie saa de ko pie saa bia fa na ba kono bra oba pa me da se nyame nhira o fa na ba kono bra 00 Boni nyina bra
0966 560 750 063
Kasanma GH Also feel a baby And then me track as an omatum.
Hello.
Kazanoma.
Yeah, God you. Good evening.
Good evening, good evening. Kazanoma, asam me so what ni na answer na ye be kan asem no pese o clear ade bi ma me. Say bad guys no more Saudi ni ya woni mo nyina.
Meaning the brave.
Alaji Muntala Mola Okamu.
Oh, ono there on the or you be out that church and aging. And most of the time, I say one. Why Casanova so I say why. Very I will see like look out what there was Amazon.
Ain't you on Kamu?
Daddy, and medium.
Mamma Church was Adia, no Nino Brown. Boom Jai Sadia. Yes,
yes, most of in man, I say advice in man so. Omoba, so Omoba contractor. Once everyone say, Mammy, everyone say, Obu or Saudi in Mano. Most of the time, Omu new to Mao. Like citizens, no more Omu new to Ma. Like almost soon in Manangata. Sometimes more bank and I say, more member, more draws no more bank and I say, or Baby Rao no ma. On better to moon and I won't kill. 9 money maybe answer, Marco. And you can't even talk to a woman like and be looking at her face. If you advising man, say, Saudi form man because someone had an answer, need to know finance, invite Ghana form man ever county has say now. Yeah. Momu safety or madam for now or more Saudi Asiano. I met my dad and say, oh, we get Johnny Fee on other tournament chain. Over tournament chain. Me agent Lema with Juma, I say, we now more than we. In some cases, I know Johnny Fee as a corner.
Oh, me Alaji Muntala. Or the number to all. Mufa me
anyhow. Enti esa na omo bagana na omo mechanical say ebia bi kani feel me contract owner ni feel. Omeka say me buy me pa no odi me bet na ni nche no more fit me or hear me say na
Alaji hold on Alaji hold on Akasanma hold on Alaji fa na ma metumi afro wo so to ho na me fro we see am pesa me fro Alaji Mutala no na ono ankasa na on be cheche na semu your friend say em say Alaji wo online your friend say Akasanma pa to aso we say man no yentu omofo na mo mu tietie
Omoba momu tete ko fated momu tete ko fa no omoba asia omu de ombe focus your more contract 2 years and there the plan for what ma onankasa obe like obe renew contract na ma ba omoba no tete ko fa no sa na omu dwane fifia esa na passport ye into ko on ma aze oni nemu kwa ndi Ghana for no hu sa na fe de obi a be se oyusu and I also want to make cash omo fa be na omu say yebese no mutu me yeshi truth me say me who are the way to see na me the police case me the police station to see I'm rather doing the girl harm girl no video I'm doing her rather harm because omu girl nangasa na first of all she's not supposed to be here into nangasa no o me punish no and before I'm deported no once Ghana girls be na Ghana na some immigrants na I won't make kids can be free. Into won't make kids can now. That's what I'm magasa on better on ticket. Any amu no Ghana no. The brain are bet penny or musicano, Ako Ghana. Now say on my penny or send up to the police say yen deportium. And the government in the say this is what they've been doing. Into say Uber or say yen deportiwa. I'm better that keep you or help to say you spend every penny you earn. And make to meet now about 6 months. And I Ghana embassy no to me yeshi found because this is like a punishment for you. It's over spending. They have 2 options. Either say Ubeko now cost whilst you are waiting for deportation, and I say Ube in some room Ghana boys no you sue anyhow.
Okay.
And most of the girls on move breast. Okay,
Mebo, na say you know. Say your friend saying say Adena Obani ye no say against the law ye nyina ye tiase what you say it's against the law be on worry and on a bema. But, sir, do you think that a right on the camera because Obano nakedness I call recording? Is it right?
I am very, very wrong. Very wrong.
And it's a night papa be no more year crana. So much say I don't know more year.
Even police, actual police in the camp, they don't even have the right to enter the room and do what those people did. Oh. Even police no more saying they will never do that because if you police know yes I didn't say you the police know you can easily be executed. You the police you can easily be executed. So if you have to maybe
say hono who your police police ni kura na yes ade no boys ni ye na ka betumi ekunu
the punishment can go as far as killing you. They can execute you or they can jail you. As long as if you harass a woman, fine. As long as it's a woman, even uko shopping mall, na say, your bema, na say, share oba like everyone say the way Ghana for you who a man show mutu ni tanga manyamano. Yes, I didn't say oba ni who na so be recording a report you are in trouble.
What's your battle or Saudi Arabia like or corner wo na who problem?
Yeah.
Don't count no for Saudi Arabia.
Now recording no munya evidence na report to na chua. You are that's it for you. You'll be in prison. Or even the women camp recently and almost started to say almost drive. They even made it illegal for them to drive. They said you don't have to do anything. Or the animal we are bad, as long as we are bad, we are Saudi. We then only say to the nada, they ain't talk at the end of the month because you are a woman. You are not supposed to even work. They said they worship them and they worship the women. Not to even talk about foreigners. And so most of the girls that come to these women, most of them are treated right. If you see say almost you see if you are maltreating a foreigner in the house, that means that they know that the foreigner doesn't have a paper. And so we are foreigner and I say, Ghana, and I say, a house in Saudi Arabia, and I say, your documents are valid. Or do more to too, even if they starve you, common food, if they starve you, and even if they give you food that you are not comfortable with, you can take your ikama and a residential card, which means that police station, you go and report, and they will deal with the people in the house. As long as you have the card.
Natural say Saudi for na nkasa no omo hyehyɛ mra nka wo say enu no etumi boa Ghana for no na omo abra botumi
san omo ya no
natural say omo na enya omo kromu ma no nkwa na omo hwɛ omo yie omo hwɛ like wo your ban nkwa na dia omo behwɛ wo yie.
As long as we are banned, that's it. Even Saudi, we have blacks who are Saudi people.
Yes.
Like original Saudi people. You have blacks or more artists. So, we are all like the women are all one. They are mostly treated right. Most of the houses are treating the women right. As long as you're a woman, they will respect you. So the only houses that they will treat you, houses are I get away and go school, and I say she's not educated. She hasn't read much about the laws in the town. You know, they take advantage of you because some book and now call police and you call report here. The only thing the police will do, the only thing the police can do for you is to deport you back to your country.
Okay.
And before they will deport you, some will deport you at once. Most of the time, you stay there. And you starve. It will take a very long time before.
Okay. Akasanoma, medasipi enkofo bebre eka Alaji Muntala Mola Alaji. Mpesa Alaji na ono ankasa mbeka na semni enti. Your friends, mumo Alaji na mama mami.
00966.
00966
583
035 431 Mfra Alaji ono ankasa mbechreche asemni enti. Nino Brown so online so Nino fa ona mano to wona wo na wo gu so na wo ya Alaji.
Number you're calling is busy.
Oh, Alaji. O se afra fe ona ma ya.
Number you're calling is busy.
Alaji pacho. Me hu se wo online ka call no so na enim gase de ya. Your friend is saying Nino Brown, me ni ma se woni munta. Me je sure say Nino ni munta la wo personal issue. Me sure Hey, na dia me hu se na ye de kɔ fam o. Di o. Oh, Alaji. Alaji ne na ma to afi efra Alaji amfa. Alaji me san fro bi me pese obi be ka se ya ma okwan ma wan kan wasem oti ase enti no Alaji me san fro bi o mesre wa fa se ne be ya asem na wo ho no wo betumi a kirem na ebia na obi pese obu eni mu ase a na asa ba kwa me fro ya wan fa esa na mo adwe be on se asem mo kan no kra no kra ebi so na nya no kra Alaji oti ase enti na me so wana ode to enti no and as I say David Hagan Crabtree says is very true. Ntebi anom person say we ni nti Alaji mesrewa okay obi say it's true I nino ne Alaji were personal issues try make cry because of the AC menya
wrong number.
Hey Alaji my friend na Alaji am foul because the buy as a your friend is saying me nua ba bi was zongo so person o chena o de me call dinner Saria to hey the me hubo Zako ana Saria nia hey Saria dia semuni ye my bro Saria mumo di no mami hu Sarionia hey tina yen dia tina ye di nya se pa ma ku ayawo yes Samira na mixing na cracking na mi Sarionia na wo de Samira wa hefa na wo kra wo ye muslim kra wo hu di ne bo busiafo bedamase a friend is saying ye nyina I was ye nyina start a campaign a betimi aboa na aban atumi afa omo wo ye frɛ Hussein omo wo Saudi no any other places no Halifa Pacho hold on mama 1 minute na aban tumi nkofo I am about 1 minute omo tumi nkofo omo nyina mra obi a ye nyina yemfa ya no tumi yansra aban se ye nuanom ma no bebre with detention omo bre yakofo mu nyina bra Alifa katum quick na yanko
ya Kwame bibia wako de
bibia ko so ye menua
Kwame my first insha boys we no guys we want some about to get name fancy o and ya mi boy na my so tight e was don't go e fan say who say e kwa ha jini no baloma me no manoma yenti na manchina for video amba because me more investigation because I have a lot of things to say and so Yakupo boy Saturday me akasa me ba be program about this but Kwame you hear me
me tell Pacho kasa
Kwame who your program na me am fail so guys no we need to know what we have to do with these guys who na make ana say ya adia ya be do mo akam be chomo omo emanu too much and am who some for be su etika bobo am for the our page Jungle, yeah, your friend say Jungle, Facebook bloggers, you know, they have a problem with each other. I say, be only say me and Kasano, you have a problem with some people, and one Kasano, you have a problem with other people. So then listen to people who are making comments insulting each other. They have their own agenda, whatever they do. Who the can I say? So Obika Chow say, where the Paboninia, woman find 2 3 or every another. Ona mikano ebi ana obwa sa guy na wo mo boni di no me akasa ni de me enya obi a me ni kasa but I met him once in a Hajj that was in 2017 or 18 me ni eya no manoma kakra ekoya program bi about Hajj board Ghana Hajj board through that na me na who one time that say but they have a problem with other bloggers. So no matter what, you tell me one kasana uchi ono, among for the town, obi ya die bi na ya track. Na kasa where I say, me a me na wono, Jango na mkasa imu ho, obi be kasa ali say, where I say. They have their own agenda on social media, so leave them with that. Don't bring this issue. Now on the destroy program na ye no. Yeah program na ye no. Guys na makwabu girl no. Mo sha kwesa kwesi asam no. Wo mu na esa ye diri wo mu enyewe Where no one and any case now about right now we don't want to change the topic. The topic is about the agenda that has been beaten. Oba one was a move for your mommy share, more for my share. I don't know who was Saudiano, more against our Saudiano, our Mudio. Yen be starting the people who are a lot in the Congo community. My job was check that this Saturday coming. Now we are somewhere. Principal Kuzambono, because sometimes I just keep quiet because woman every more we are crazy for. Yeah, dean. Yeah, but what them go. Yeah, dean. Every more social media also. Jimmy some and mobile social media. And sometimes we need no topic to be on social media. Now I show more because something that is not going to help the Zongo or the Muslims or the guy in Ghana.
Yes.
What do I have to worry about? Probably, let me know what I say. Ultimately, from TPP. Anyway, between my contribute to me more now.
Of course. Yes.
Why? Because I want Ghana to move.
Yes.
Me know what I need to say. Zongo, let me know what I say. What can I say?
Yes.
And see, why do more Zongo community know? Ask them what are they doing on social media blogging in Zongo community. Not just talk. We need to get them arrested. Those guys need to be arrested immediately.
Okay.
So we can't just somewhere and our page. I don't believe in that.
Okay.
You have to see it with the play. No, only for one.
Okay.
I would have called you who your program here. I would have not thrown in let me work.
Martin, medasipi.
This is really me. Because of some Christian. What is the difference between Muslim and Christian? If you are a Muslim and you beat a Christian for no reason, you are just a fool. A fool is better than them. A fool is better than them. What they did to that gang, and Allah will never forgive them. They will see the something. The something ever appear. When we take pictures, we are saying, "Enche." Oba epimi so say when ya kunu ware when na enye jimi som na maye enye jimi som na maye who are why I was Saudi Arabia. Who are you in Saudi Arabia? Who are you in Saudi Arabia? Mo chile Saudi Arabia ma ti ti ma ni ka na mu ti mo na mu yen ko ti asaba mu ni tutu on mo na
Oso mo musika no ma ye den
o se ne plus o se
Oso mo jijo musika no ma ye den
Hey,
Nana Boko Miniana, Asama Benio.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, machine.
Well, now a minute your best count. And Casa, I Nana Prempe. Nana, what a video no?
My video no. My said, many business, so guy be sending from Dubai and a brand, but I send it to Saudi. It's a number of me shaggy and ocras and a bear and come here to Jagum. Facebook near there.
Yes.
They try may not get a number. Then you was only needing come on. Also have to say, wow.
The video no call guy Saudi embassy. Yeah, the boys in here don't come Saudi embassy. Yeah, the video no nyina come on. Na Saudi embassy for I send ya ko Bukromo ne achi omu nyina.
Very good. Well, they have no right. Say if I had even in your crana, a crew.
Voice no form kakra.
Because say nipa na in your crana, a crew no was no a mumra, and I was say any energy. What you mean,
yes.
Aha, a crew mumra. And I was saying, and Yamona, Mono, boys are Momako, Mosmo, ana mo dem na be hye mo nsem
yes
aba be sa nkwase ade
yes
so I was very angry me share video no once again kuro kasa kuro was mo man nhyɛ n'ataade kura na was there say mo video just to disgrace her one nhyɛ n'ataade kura mo say there oh enkwase asem no mo de na me was I was so happy say because this is me videos bi say na say no maybe say na amani je ho no maybe say na amani je ho ne do mra since I nkwase ade ne ko so bi
na ai nana won say Ghana ha no oh oma ya mame madie ya kate nana kafra oma ya madie na kate won say Ghana ha no sa ade we na e koso no enu na man kofo bi kokun Captain Mahama no sa wokai
yeah
enu na man kofo bi eku ye nana bi wo north no because obi e feel say abrewa no omo feel so omo otumi so omo be ye ne omo feel so omo be ye bia like obi apeso de mra ne hye ne nsa no no ade ye ne ope enti no media maya madwen say sa abrewa ni wuo no ze Captain Mahama wuo no entumi ansesa Ghana fo adwen a abrewa ni wuo no ene sa asem wo ye si we have to use this to send a strong signal to obia I say the end mob justice in Ghana. Enti no mona mo Egypt sanka wo Egypt nka obia wo more than 50,000 followers bia no we a media house. I say we register. Enti no we a big media house. They say also munyina ye nyina kan ho bom na yetumi ensure say sa ade ya boys ne ye no omo anya ho asotwen. Enti no bibia besi bia no so no friend is saying mebo amane memo aso ati
okay now your friend say can again be kasa na ke be kamenya no 1-on-1 like am the number
me send the number na ma me send the number na ma I will WhatsApp na woni na di nkomo na yen hwe so say minim say maybe sound say ono abetumi atwa ne ticket aba Ghana I omo beti ase o mbisa omo say ya de ono abetumi atwa ne ticket na ombenya sa chartered flight ya e ba bia na se omo ho no Ghana for girls on yebetumi yenya betumi akan ho abom ni agege sika bi na omo de aye friends aha ni betumi aye abo omo bia no na ya se obi kura de ne ba 2 months yakofa no enti no ni bibia betumi aye de abo omo nyina no ye nyina se wi ase aye ketwa wo de anu to asem wo Ghana wo de ato wo ba bia na ye hu se bia ne ba 2 months no ne ho ye obi hwe no bibia betumi aye de abo anipa bia de me de I'm all for it enti no me send na na ebedi nkomo we chiro why me yo
no problem
me da sipin
you know so you already have the video to the Ministry of Affairs in Ghana for them to explain what
Oma handle video no to Ministry of the Foreign Affairs okay okay yo enti no yedamase whatever comes out of this no you better follow up nino say omo the video na Ministry of Foreign Affairs into you better follow up whatever comes out of it no you better mo em say okay nka me kobat we dey nkomo bi wa ha ma mindi nkomo we real quick ma mindi nkomo we real quick em say entokwa bi esi we chiri ho hello
akoti
na ada no we jiga we chiri ho sa
the battle of a few minutes let me reply of your platform.
Hey, nyabotre.
Make sure since when did satisfying your feelings become a crime? And I boy the other trust said was a 7 make and debe. Akoti, sa never we no. Yamba tu entwa. Ebe kobone. What is the mentionati? Time a boy no butu na nim no.
Yes. Yes.
Akoti, mudu ka mu puto zungu. Yimi na efizongo. Mu ka ko mi duanla. What you say?
Yes.
I know more need the feelings no kura bada to one satisfy one wasu kura besi.
Eh nyabotre.
Ko sabi onye kwasi ya nyakupo nim se e kan ye ho no de kan ye ho.
Nyabotre. Ta mo kopi ni no na ma no ni no na ma no mo ko. Nyabotre ekuya nyabotre. Wo se feelings aye dem me ncha dan ti ase esa.
when did satisfying your feelings become a crime?
And what's this a banner once as well as Subesi?
What's so crazy? I got it. Asubesi. Omo mu ni wonu so ka tamo monte because omo won sane omo way. It's about the truth be told. I no kwa na make a tell. Why? O dey say even kwa he bone kwa na kuku no koye no. Mo twina so mo fani a nice way. And then right kwa no mo. What is that? What time mama dey mracha omo nsanye na what's you bring them to?
I know dey nya wo kan no dey e no kre say omo dey mracha omo nsana o say ni omo dili na ase asam na kan na ba ko confuse me kakra.
The police no why bone kwa na mo fani a nice way na mo fan foundation. Okay. No one is against that because if you are a law or code say I know what. But over sure by ni now do na butu nanim. The time a boy ni butu nanim na enema ni kagu ye no. Just imagine. Sa ko for na wo say e bi omo ba na ye ma na ye bi omo show a ebo ball. No mo hu say ete. Chi omo to a no mo ni han ya. Next time omo nya sa ball ni bi. Seriously, me bo full off. Me bo full off. Imagine say your sisters are. Yes. How would they feel?
Yes.
Your family member, how would they feel?
Yes.
Oh, it's about time I was see Jai Sadiano. You call a spade a spade. What they did was totally wrong. What they did was totally wrong. Let how much you want about happy in Ibewa. No, you open your side no more. No. Your man and cow, your man and cow no more. Captain Mama dear is see. At least come out from final lesson.
My year free Ghana half you would copy be man soon mob justice. Instant justice.
Mammy age, no should girl no boom, mammy say, only mammy Kawana and Wolf. Who went him the day is a precase? Ubina Nasha Audiano. And I got it. I mean, out here.
Medasi. I say again, and him the day a precase is I say computer. Precase no. I just say computer. Lechino. Sister, na no yo. I why no man no. Eh nino. Minia nino. Nino de no na mama bona mana mama. E ka me yapon anu no. Musi nino na me. 49 00 49
152 160 720 11.
Hey Nino. Hey, sister. Na equia offers see us in every zone way. Honestly, so no winning miss well.
Hello?
Nino.
Yeah, bro.
Amen. Nino, na the same.
Oko be watching out here.
We be come on. I just Monte Carlo show.
Okay. And then my baba be a good program I say, but I quite say you near Alifa by and Kai and so me minim obi a friend of Bukaya. Ka me be can wasem, but I say ma Alifa Kai ni dear. Mama yo focus uniana. Yenu na ye na see babe bono mo ma yo
yenu abano yes
anything ruka ya sem no edia twinche okay ba me tell you yesu bi ya do me hu sa video no man de ya ena mo say saudi asem dia obi antemenka che so obeka na o ma ba go so ena male say wo mo ni say I mean wo mo the problem be catch me ya the metima e bia no me enti wo ma beta problem ni kire me ena eja me so me di ba betu social media eni internet na mini bikasa e she di abia wo ma ye ye nuano minim oba no back sabi me so me wo nua ma e wo fi so obi pa di me nua ba pass pa dia enya dia e be ko yi enti mini ali kasaya no ena endrechi wodi video no ediko wo guide wo Ghana wo police ni pay ni pa enti wo share video na wo dara tie say ye fanko ma foreign minister face enti enena mini anu ma wo move you no wɔn di video no ebi kɔma wɔn na ɛnɛ wɔn ankasa na frɛ sɛ we have to come to their office ɛni ti yɛ na yɛn wɔn ti twɛn kɔmɔ na yɛgye evidence no ɛwɔ mɛnsa ɛne guys ni nyinaa ade a wɔn hwehwɛ no ɛne eyi bibi a girl no wɔ prison kora a wɔwɔ wɔ yard no deportation center no yes yɛdi saa information no ne bibi ade ma wɔn ɛna wɔn si okay yɛn kɔ but next week wɔn bɛ saa frɛ ɛni ti yɛhwɛ wɔn ani next week na yɛhwɛ ade a bi tima yɛ na yɛso yɛtumi aboa union no.
Na just mo di kan di video no kra koma foreign affairs ministry say asama esi wo Saudi go my idea papa eti no once mo di kan a report no yen so be follow up na foreign affairs ministry for na hu say asama na yasem bi hia Ghana for pa eti my idea very good say my sa we no na se na be ya ye nyina ye nua ezongo bloggers no mon ka mo humbom hwe problem I was ongo no as we say individual na we anyway we issue we that be me a friend say minya nkamu nyina wo Halifa friend say Mola mu nyina mbeka mo ho abom ba ko na mo fight for the Zongo community when we say me ye to aba na aban ba on beka so be Spintex development also be Zongo development. Say there are so many things that are needed in the various Zongos. And it just Zongo like you neglected Zongo no for a long time, and there is the need for the youth and then to use the power of social media and internet and all that we have to push an agenda that is going to change the communities in the next few years. And so it is very, very important, sir, you guys will come together, use your media to fight for your common good. Oh, ehu hia mefre wo na mafre Halifa na mafre mu nyina ne nyina ya conference call Zoom conference ne nyina ya kasa. There are so many issues that you need to address. Sentokwesia, people go to the Zongos, and what do they go there to do? They are going to look for guys to go and fight. But the scholarship by your friend Zongo for now, no, they do not call you. Why don't they call you? So what is important is for you guys to come together and say, if we are the people, John Mahama, the bodyguard for Omufihin, Omufizongo. Jay Kufuor, the bodyguard for Omufihin, Omufizongo. Nanado, the bodyguard for Omufihin, Omufizongo. And so why is it that every year they don't give the Zongo youth a certain quota in police and military, because these are the guys in terms of this kind of a humano, in terms of security and intelligence, a humano, omo smart in that way. Why isn't there a quota for Zongo youth? All of these are issues that you guys can look at and push. That is very important. You guys need to come together. The only problem that we have is when we are not united. Enunti na brofo ba ha. Now almost started so more Dutch for Portuguese for then they went and met in Berlin, and then they decided to partition Africa. So when you read the history of the partitioning of Africa, that is what happened. I'm so mumayenche mayenku na ye chomwa ye the Ghana so they can rule you. That is what happened in Africa. And you guys today in 2020, you do not have to allow people to divide you to rule you. You must come together and build your communities. And you better come some later.
Thank you very much. Okay, I apologize to be our platform which say my father should be a tricky I do apologize for that. Yes, I do apologize for your viewers. Yes, I do apologize for that.
Problem in here. My friend, my friend had me san cannot. My friend, my friend, you know, be will sort it out. Why? Nyamishi will be had you so edu. It's a happy. Idil Fitr, and yes, I can. Idil Fitr. Thank you. Idil Mubarak. Happy Idil Mubarak to all Muslim friends. Madam Wasipi, I mean, she'll be
all right. Thank you.